nothing changes.
Hey, welcome back everybody, and welcome into my little piece of heaven, the warehouse. If you're not familiar with this channel, I am Casey the Rockstarflipper. I'm a reseller full-time, and this is part of the warehouse that I rent out from a friend of mine that owns the entire complex. You want to talk about a bubble wrap fetish? Look at how much bubble wrap he has ordered. Literally, like, one of these rolls is mine. Look at all this bubble wrap. I'm assuming he has a whole bunch of orders that are about to be headed out soon, or why else would you possibly in the face of the planet buy all that bubble wrap? Good Lord, Double D, why? Why, Dave? Why do you have that much bubble wrap? Okay, anyways, point of this video, we purchased 4 more pallets of bulk remote controls, over 10,000 remote controls. It's going to be a boatload of money, north of $50,000 to $60,000. They come in pallets just like this, and we have 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4 over there, and we'll be going through those in bulk lots. Now, if you're not familiar again with this channel, we sell them in boxes of 100. So we pack them into a box like this. We take all the batteries out of them. We wipe them down. We don't fully clean them, but we wipe them down, and we give you a mix of 100 remote controls. They're mixed brands, models, types, Blu-ray players, TVs, DVDs, CD players, all different types. They sell amazingly well on eBay. Go look up used remote controls. You'll see what I mean. Samsung, Sony, Panasonic, RCA, all kinds of different models that you'll get mixed in these boxes. Totally random, 100 of them, and we sell them for $225 plus shipping. Your average sale price should come out to at least $15. You should be able to net somewhere in the neighborhood of 10 bucks. Excuse me, $10, which would give you around $1,000 if they all sell. Realistically about 800, but you're paying around 250 to 300 with shipping. So you can easily double up to tripling your money on these, and they sell very well because they are electronics. Good Lord, it's never ending bubble wrap. So that's what we'll be doing. I always typically do bulk videos on days that we unpack these. So here's some of them that are prepped already, and then we go through those and we build boxes out of those, and that's what we'll ship out to you guys. So I'm gonna start taking orders. They'll be ready to go in the next week or two, so we'll start taking pre-orders this week and weekend. You can email me, rockstarflipper@gmail.com, send me your PayPal email and your address so I can quote shipping, and then I will get back to you with the invoice, and you'll be all set, ready to go. So that's bulk purchasing, and that's what we do here. Appreciate you guys as always watching, and we'll see you soon.